Last summer, a 3-day road trip turned into a chiropractic nightmare. The factory Jackknife sofa in our RV was essentially plywood covered in thin, peeling vinyl. I woke up every morning with a stiff back and a miserable attitude. Finding a quality RV sofa bed is incredibly frustrating. Most are poorly cushioned and fall apart after one season. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 Jackknife RV sofa beds after rigorous hands-on testing to save your spine and your wallet. Stick around, because the #1 pick completely transformed our camper's living space. 7. RecPro 62-inch Charles RV Jackknife Sleeper Sofa Chestnut. When you're working with a highly compact travel trailer, finding furniture that actually fits the space without requiring massive modifications can be a nightmare. This 62-inch model is specifically designed to slide into those tighter slide-outs and narrow floor plans. It comes wrapped in RecPro's signature Suprema faux leather, which visually looks fantastic and gives the interior of an older rig an immediate modern facelift. However, during my hands-on testing, the mechanical transition from a sofa to a bed revealed some noticeable frustrations. The jackknife action on this particular unit felt surprisingly stiff and required a significant amount of force to pull flat. Furthermore, the hinge system mandates a fair amount of wall clearance, meaning you cannot install this flush against the back of your slide-out without it violently scraping the wallpaper every time you try to convert it into a bed for the night. Seating comfort also leaves a bit to be desired for extended trips. While the initial sit feels adequately plush, the foam used in this base model seems to compress far too quickly. After sitting and reading a book for about an hour, I could distinctly feel the rigid metal support bar pressing against the back of my thighs. This lack of dense structural support makes it a poor choice if you plan on using the sofa as your primary lounging area on a rainy day at the campground. When converted into the sleeping position, the experience doesn't improve much. The 62-inch length is already incredibly restrictive for a full-grown adult, meaning your feet will likely hang over the edge. 6. RecPro Charles 60-inch RV Jackknife Sleeper Sofa. Similar to the previous model, the primary selling point here is the ultra-small footprint, making it a highly viable option for Class B motorhomes or vintage camper renovations where every single inch of floor space is absolutely critical. It shares the same attractive styling hues as the rest of the Charles lineup, featuring a streamlined, contemporary look that easily blends into almost any interior decor scheme you might have. Unfortunately, getting this unit installed and ready to use presented an immediate series of headaches. While the sofa itself fits easily through standard RV doors, the included mounting legs and hardware felt like an afterthought. I spent an excessive amount of time trying to align the pre-drilled holes, and once assembled, the entire frame had a slight but persistent wobble that required me to shim the legs to achieve true stability. For a product designed for DIY installation, this lack of structural precision is highly disappointing. Sitting on the 60-inch model was another test of patience. The manufacturer clearly attempted to solve the foam compression issue of the 62-inch model by utilizing a much stiffer padding material. However, they overcompensated wildly. Sitting on this sofa feels remarkably like sitting on a wooden park bench covered in a thin layer of vinyl. It takes weeks of constant use to even begin breaking in the material, and until that happens, it is genuinely uncomfortable for anything longer than a quick cup of coffee in the morning. The sleeping configuration suffers directly from this rigid foam density. When you lay it flat, the seam where the backrest and seat cushion meet forms a harsh, unforgiving ridge right down the middle of your back. 5. Shop 4C 68-inch modern camper jackknife sleeper sofa. Moving up to a 68-inch frame significantly opens up your lounging capabilities, making it a much more functional piece of furniture for daily living on the road. The upholstery steps away from the standard faux leather look, offering a resilient, tightly woven cloth fabric that breathes beautifully. On hot summer days when the RV air conditioner is struggling to keep up, This fabric keeps you cool and prevents that awful sticking sensation you get with cheap vinyl. The seating comfort is a breath of fresh air compared to our bottom two contenders. The engineers at Shop 4C managed to find the perfect middle ground with their foam density. It provides a soft, welcoming initial sink, but quickly firms up to support your lower back and legs over long periods. I spent an entire afternoon working on my laptop from this sofa, and I never once felt the underlying frame or experienced any numbness. It is a genuinely pleasant place to spend your downtime. Transitioning the sofa into a bed is where the design truly shines. The internal hinge mechanism is heavily reinforced but heavily spring-assisted, allowing for a buttery, smooth operation. You can literally pull the seat forward and drop it flat with one hand in a fluid motion. More importantly, it requires zero wall clearance. You can mount it completely flush against your slide-out wall, maximizing your floor space without sacrificing the ability to fold it down at night. Sleeping on the Shop 4C is a surprisingly restorative experience. The 68-inch length provides enough room for most adults to stretch out comfortably, and the transition seam between the two cushions is remarkably tight. 4. RecPro Charles 70-inch RV Jackknife sofa bed with drop-down console. This is where RV furniture starts to mimic the comfort of your living room back home. The 70-inch frame is incredibly spacious, easily accommodating 3 adults side by side. The standout feature, of course, is the integrated center console. Pulling down the middle backrest reveals a sturdy, padded armrest equipped with 2 perfectly sized cup holders. It instantly transforms your RV seating into a dedicated home theater experience, perfect for rainy evenings watching movies. The build quality and material selection are absolutely top tier. Covered in the mahogany variation of RecPro's Suprema fabric, it feels incredibly supple and closely mimics the texture of premium top-grain leather. But unlike real leather, this synthetic material is highly resistant to scratches and incredibly easy to maintain. After spilling a full cup of coffee on the seat during testing, a quick wipe with a damp cloth removed all traces of the liquid without leaving a stain or a lingering odor, which is essential for active camping trips. The ergonomic support when seated is simply fantastic. The backrest features deep, contoured padding that naturally hugs your spine, and the seat depth is generous enough to fully support your thighs. Having the drop-down console act as a center armrest completely eliminates that awkward feeling of sitting in the middle seat without any lateral support. It is plush, inviting, and built to withstand the rigors of heavy daily use without losing its structural integrity. When it is time for bed, you simply fold the console back up and actuate the jackknife mechanism. The transition is seamless, and you would never know a heavy console is hidden inside the mattress structure. 3. RecPro Charles 80-inch Mega RV Jackknife sofa bed. If you own a large fifth wheel or a spacious Class A motorhome with massive slide-outs, this is the ultimate statement piece. Finding an 80-inch jackknife sofa is incredibly rare, and it completely changes the dynamic of your living space. You no longer have to cram your family onto a tiny love seat. This mega sofa comfortably seats 4 people, making it the perfect hub for entertaining guests or hosting a family game night inside the rig. You might assume that installing an 80-inch piece of furniture through a narrow 26-inch camper door would be impossible, but the modular design here is brilliant. The sofa arrives in distinct, manageable sections that easily clear the doorway. Once inside, the pieces interlock together with heavy-duty metal brackets that create a unified, rock-solid frame. During my installation, it took less than 20 minutes to carry it inside and lock it into place, which is a massive testament to the thoughtful engineering behind the product. Comfort on the Mega Sofa is exceptional, largely due to the sheer volume of high-resiliency foam packed into the cushions. The seating surface is incredibly expansive, allowing you to lay down lengthwise and take a nap without even converting it into a bed. The Suprema leather holds up beautifully over this large surface area, remaining taut and wrinkle-free even after heavy traffic. It provides a luxurious, sinking-in sensation that immediately relaxes your muscles after a long day of hiking or driving. As a sleeper, the 80-inch length is a total game-changer. This is one of the few RV sofa beds on the market where a tall adult can fully stretch out without their toes dangling off the edge. 2. Lippert/Thomas Payne Signature Series 68-inch RV Jackknife Sleeper Sofa. Thomas Payne is highly regarded in the RV industry for producing exceptional OEM and aftermarket furniture, and this Signature Series model proves exactly why. The exterior is wrapped in their proprietary polyhide vinyl, which is formulated specifically to endure the extreme temperature fluctuations of an RV interior. Whether your rig is baking in the summer sun or freezing in winter storage, this material absolutely refuses to crack, peel, or fade. The internal construction is where this sofa truly pulls ahead of the competition. Instead of relying on cheap springs and thin metal tubes, the Thomas Payne utilizes an ultra-lightweight, high-strength aluminum frame combined with a high-density foam core. When you sit down, you immediately notice a significant difference. There is zero structural creaking, and the foam offers a unique, bounce-back resistance that feels incredibly supportive. It conforms perfectly to your body weight, but springs back to its original shape the second you stand up. Operating the Jackknife mechanism on this model is an absolute joy. The aluminum frame significantly reduces the overall weight of the moving parts, meaning you can pull the sofa into a flat position using just 2 fingers. The hinges glide silently without any of the violent clanking noises you get from cheaper steel mechanisms. It is a highly refined, premium experience that completely eliminates the physical struggle of making the bed at the end of an exhausting travel day. Sleeping on the Thomas Payne is a remarkably premium experience. The polyhide material features a micro-perforated texture that dissipates body heat beautifully, preventing you from waking up covered in sweat. 1. RecPro 72-inch Charles Series RV Jackknife Sleeper Sofa. This specific 72-inch model hits the absolute perfect sweet spot for the vast majority of RV owners. It is large enough to provide a massive upgrade in seating and sleeping space, yet meticulously proportioned to fit seamlessly into standard travel trailer and motorhome slide-outs. From the moment you unbox it, the premium stitching, the deeply tufted backrests, and the flawless tailoring scream high-end luxury. The comfort level here is simply unmatched by anything else on the market. RecPro heavily upgraded the internal padding on this specific model, utilizing a multi-layered memory foam approach. The top layer provides a cloud-like softness that instantly relieves pressure points on your hips and shoulders, while the dense base layer prevents you from sinking into the frame. Sitting on this sofa feels identical to lounging on a $1,000 recliner in a residential living room. It is the kind of comfort that makes you want to cancel your outdoor plans and just stay inside the camper. The engineering behind the kickboard and the Jackknife hardware is flawless. It features a true wall hugger design, requiring strictly zero clearance behind the backrest. You can bolt it directly flush against your wall to maximize your walking space. When it comes time to sleep, the heavy-duty reinforced hinges drop the bed flat with a satisfying, secure lock. There is no wobbling, no uneven angles, and absolutely no fighting with the mechanism. The sleeping experience on the 72-inch Charles sofa is the closest you will ever get to a real, high-quality mattress on an RV couch. The generous length accommodates almost anyone, and the thick memory foam completely absorbs your body weight.